Assalamu alaikum and hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about the Fiverr, which is the earning platform for all the freelancers out there. I will speak in English because this video will be for the people who can speak and learn English, because Fiverr is the platform where you must have you must have the basic know-how about how to speak English, how to write English, and how to talk to English, because clients you are targeting is from Europe, from America, from outside of your country. Basically, we belong to the Asian region. I'm from Pakistan, but most of my clients, but all 100% of my client are on Fiverr are from America and UK and all the Europe. So that's why I'm speaking in English, because you must know how to speak English. And I'm not very good in English, but you must know the basic that how to communicate in the English language. So Fiverr.com is the platform where you can earn money as a freelancer. You don't need any investment. You just need any skill to earn from the Fiverr.com. So basically how it works, for example, you must have one skill. For example, you must have editing skill. You should have for example, do you have any good photo editing skill? You have a good voice, you can do voiceover, such things. There are thousands of services that you can offer online via Fiverr.com. So when you log in the Fiverr, Fiverr will get you to the option that are you going to sell your offer, or are you going to buy your offer. So obviously you will log in as a seller. So as a Fiverr seller, you must need to create gigs. Gigs is basically kind of the CV that someone, if someone see that gig or CV, that he or she can recognize that you can fulfill his or her need. For example, I am buyer. I log into Fiverr.com. I need a video editor for my YouTube channel. Then I will search that I need a video editor. If your gig come in front of me and you said that you're a professional video editor for Fiverr, you do video editing for $10, $15, or whatever price you have written over there. So what I will do is I will message you, or I will place an order. Basically, nobody places an order directly. They would like to talk to you. So what I will do, I will talk to you that hello Mr. X, I need this services on for my YouTube channel. I have recorded some footage and I need to be edited in it need to be edited in 1 week. So would you rather do it for me? So as soon as I got the message, I will reply them, and yes, I am aware. As soon as you got the message, because you are the seller over there, so you need to communicate to me in English while typing, and you say, for example, you say that yes, I am available for this week. You can send me all the footage and let me check it, and after checking, I will quote you the right price for this video editing. So what I will do as a buyer, I will send you all the details. I will send you the sample that this video should be like this. So after that you need to send me the quotation. If the video is 3 to 5 minutes or whatever price you written for your job. For example, you asked me to pay $20 for that video editing. So you send me the offer, I will place the order, and I will wait for your video. And I will, if you say that you will deliver the video in 1 to 2 days, then I will wait for it. And after 2 days, when you send me the video via Fiverr.com, I will approve. Then you will able to get the money from Fiverr. This is the very nice algorithm of Fiverr, that if I am not satisfied from your services, I will ask you for revision. If you send me the video after you have done editing, then I must have checked it that if it fulfills my requirements, then I will accept your delivery. If it's not, then I will say that please cut off these things or add these new things. So there is a multiple option for revisions. So once I uh, received your delivery, you and me both are clear, then I will get the option from Fiverr to rate your ratings. If your service is good, your response rate is good, your editing skills are best, then I will rate you 5. That rating is the key to get success on Fiverr for you as a seller. I hope you got my point. This is the algorithm of Fiverr, that how can you earn money from Fiverr, but you must have to learn few skills. For example, if you are a good video editor, you can welcome yourself on Fiverr. You can find very good clients. And if you are an animation artist, you can also come and join Fiverr. Any skill which you can serve online, you can join Fiverr and you can make gig. You can create gigs. So I will explain in the other videos that how can you create gigs, how to withdraw money, and other queries. If you have any queries related to Fiverr, you can comment down. I will make a video for you. So that's it from today from my side. I hope you know the basic algorithm of Fiverr, that how can we earn money from Fiverr. So thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.